I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin filter. Cabin filter is located on the passenger side underneath the glove box. Comes with torque range and with two filters. To get access to the filter, we're gonna have to twist this nut, and we're gonna have to twist this nut to take this cover. One, two, and then the cover comes off just like that. We're gonna have to unscrew that torque screw and this torque screw. Okay, I took this cover off, so we need to pull the wire over here and then disconnect the wire on the light, and that's what we get. And then we get full access, and I took the cover off, and then we get full access to the box where the filter is located. You want to make sure you're following your arrows, so arrows have to be pointed towards the seats. And now I'm going to install first filter. Alright, one, and the same as this one. Make sure arrows are pointed towards the seats. And now I'm going to push another one. Alright, so I did close the cover, and the last thing what I need to do, put this hose back. Alright, I just finished installing the cover, and just gonna finish vacuuming and done.